Today I want to work on indices. So just to give you a quick refresher, okay? So whenever you have indices and you know that if I write a to the power of p times a to the power of q is equal to a to the power of p plus q. Remember, you have everything in the formula book. So if you have a formula book, go and search for indices section and then try to find out and read and understand what it is. Okay, it is in page 21 of the tables book, so please go ahead and have a familiarity with this topic, because otherwise you will not be able to find it and write it or do it during your exam. The second one is a to the power of p divided by a to the power of q will be equal to a to the power of p minus q. Okay, and then the third one is a to the power of p to the power of q. Okay, first you are raising a to the power of p, then to the power of q, that will be a to the power of pq. That means you multiply these together. So for example, if I write a to the power of 3 times a to the power of 2 will be equal to a to the power of 3 plus 2, and a to the power of 5 divided by a to the power of 2 will be equal to a to the power of 5 minus 3, which is equal to a to the power of 2, or this can be written as a to the power of 5, and a to the power of 3 to the power of 2 will be equal to a to the power of 3 times 2, which is equal to a to the power of 6. Okay, so please remember these three things, very important. Okay, now we move on to a different one. So if I write a to the power of, square root of a. If I write square root of a, I can write it as a to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, and what, same as otherwise. Okay, I can just write it as a to the power of 1 or 2 can be written as a square root of a. Okay, what I will do if I write a to the power of 1 over 3, that is nothing but cube root of a. Okay, why? Because whenever you write a square root, there is a 2 here, but we don't write it often. Okay, but here it is cube root of a. An example will be uh, 9 to the power of 1 over 2. I can write it as square root of 9, which is equal to 3. 27 to the power of 1 over 3 will be cube root of 27, which is equal to again 3. So these two things you have to remember.